started December 31st, a chilly 3:30 a.m. start. The morning was frigid, buzzing with excitement for the adventure ahead. The destination, the mystic Tulum, Mexico. Despite the early flight and the layover in Denver, my spirits were high. That is until my luggage decided to take a vacation of its own in Denver.
So I lost my luggage at the airport in Tulum. So yeah, we gotta figure this out too. We have to, yeah.
Pina colada.
Yeah, $30 pina colada at Margaritaville in Cancun.
Landing in Cancun, first challenge. No bag, but hey, what's an adventure without a twist, right? Instead of fretting, I embraced the local life, a quick stop by Walmart to grab a couple of essentials from fashion and continue the day. We checked into our Airbnb, and afterwards, we explored some of the local shops to grab a couple of more essentials. Airbnb was amazing. Beautiful room, open courtyard, front desk, security, hot tub, sauna, man-made cenote. A lot of the rooms were still getting finished. Each room had its own cold plunge tub. Tulum greeted us with its warm, lively downtown. The plan was to head to Casa Negra on the beach, but sometimes things change. The pricey cab ride wasn't tempting enough, especially with the risk of being stranded, so we pivoted and explored the vibrant downtown for New Year's.
Get up!
The night was young and so were our spirits. After dinner, we found ourselves drawn to the beats of a nearby bar. The energy was infectious, live band, vibrant music, people dancing. We couldn't resist joining in. The rhythm of Tulum's nightlife took over and we danced the night away. As the evening wound down, we headed back to our hotel, tired and exhilarated. The first day in Tulum had been a roller coaster, but as we crashed into the bed, we knew this was just the beginning. The next day, we decided to embrace Tulum's spirit in true adventure style, on scooters. It made sense, really. $60 per day, it was a steal for the freedom it offered. Finding a rental place was a little bit of a treasure hunt, but that's part of the adventure, right? It had been ages since I had ridden a bike. And half of the day was a mixture of exhilaration and oops moments. Picture this, dodging potholes in the dark, one of them getting the better of us. A minor scrape, but hey, what's a little bit of adventure without a thumper? Prior to that, we headed down to the beach where we enjoyed the coastline and the beautiful scenic views. Our destination was well worth it later on that evening.
Nice.
Yeah?
I like that we don't have a plan. We're just wandering. Like, we'll find the beach after some ruins.
There's gotta be a beach over here. Mm-hmm. There's water and it's clear.
Yeah.
If you wanna go run into the water, I'll sit there and hold fort down.
Wow, a gem of a restaurant right off the beach. It was as if we stepped into a dream. The ambiance, the food, every bite was a celebration of flavors. It was a perfect ending to an eventful day. Where are we, Chelsea?
Mayan.
Tell me more.
That's all you get.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay.
Get some drinks. And hope we don't die on the ride back to the hotel.
We're waiting in line to get tickets to Tulum ruins for the day.
Confirmed.
Just got our Starbucks at the ruins.
The adventure continued the next day with a visit to the iconic Tulum ruins. Steeped in history, these ancient Mayan structures stood majestically against the azure background of the Caribbean Sea.
in Tulum at the Mayan ruins, checking it out. Got the ocean in the background behind these buildings. It's a great day outside. It's a lot of people out here too.
We wandered through the ruins, each corner telling the story of a civilization long ago, yet so present. From history to harmony, we found ourselves on the beach near the ruins. The day unfolded leisurely. The sound of the waves, the taste of fresh coconut, and the pleasures of simple, delicious food created a symphony of relaxation.
Whoa. That's good. That's not that 50-50 coconut. He didn't dilute this with water. This is that straight pure. That's cocoa from the coconut. This right here? See, I thought because it was such a big coconut, it was gonna be hard. Tastes like chewing on rubber. But I took the risk. I bet on myself. This is tender coconut. So you just bite into it, it melts like butter. But it's coconut, so it's not butter.
One of our most anticipated adventures was a trip to the majestic Chichen Itza. It was a journey through time, a 12-hour day filled with awe and discovery. The early start was a small price. As we approached Chichen Itza, the sight of the towering pyramids and the intricate monuments were breathtaking. Despite the buzz of the fellow explorers, there was a sense of reverence in the air. Each step around the ruins was a step back into history, learning about the land and its people.
Right now we're at one of the modern seven wonders of the world. And this location is where they used to play the games. It would be 6-on-6 against each other. This ball that's some kind of elastic. They just get their arms around it. You see up there, the holes up there is what they were trying to get the balls into. So they play until the end. And obviously, you know, they don't want to give a beaten up body to the gods, so they would actually sacrifice a young, tender body. And cenote that we just visited actually is where they would throw the bodies in and give as a sacrifice. So on the north side was cenote, was where they gave the body to the gods, and on the south side is the cenote that they actually drank from. So the king sat all the way down here on that far side, and the noblemen, the elite noblemen and the actual surrounding gods and emperors of the area sat over here. And on the sides above is where the people, the spectators, watch the game. So the king would actually give rules and talk from that location.
Standing amidst the ancient stones of the Chichen Itza, we felt the deep connection for the past. To it's humbling and inspiring to witness the legacy of a civilization so advanced, so rich in culture and knowledge. As we journeyed back, our hearts and minds were full. Chichen Itza wasn't just a check on the travel list, it was a profound experience, a reminder of the wonders our world holds. Tulum and its surroundings had given us more than just a beautiful sight. They had given us a story, history, and a deeper understanding of the human spirit. As our trip drew to a close, we knew the memories would be treasured, a reminder of a land that offered us a glimpse into the past so enduring. Each day in Tulum was a new chapter in our story, a blend of adventure, history, relaxation, culinary delights. And as we bid farewell to the majestic land, we knew we were leaving the memories that would last a lifetime. Tulum, you've been a journey of discovery, a canvas of beautiful experiences. Until we meet again, we'll cherish these days of sand and stories. Here's to the path traveled and the adventures that await.